Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Savita and today's video is about how to use Nikola Tesla Divine Code 369 to manifest anything that you want. Now this is a very powerful method for manifesting your wish given by Nikola Tesla. And for this you just need a pen, a blue pen, a paper or a book or a diary, or you can also use your notepad in the phone. Okay, and next important thing that you need for this technique is your intention and patience. Okay, so let's start. The first thing what you need to do is think about your wish. So the first step is you will make an affirmation of your wish. Think about it and make a small sentence of your wish, and it should be in present tense. I'll give you some examples, okay, but I would suggest that you make your own affirmation. So you can start your affirmation with I am grateful, okay, and then you will write your wish. Now for example, if you are looking for a job, then you will write I am grateful for my new job. If you are looking for marriage, then I am grateful for being happily married. For a house, you will write I am grateful for living in a beautiful house. If you are a student, you can write I am grateful for passing successfully in my exam. If you are looking for money to come, then you can write I am grateful for the 25,000 rupees that I received. Okay, so these are the simple examples which you can make for your affirmation. Okay, then once you have made this affirmation, you will use this affirmation to write it. And when do we write it? First thing, when you wake up in the morning, you will write the same affirmation 3 times. So what you will do is, when you are starting this method, keep your paper or your book and pen beside your bed, so that when you wake up in the morning, you will immediately write this sentence 3 times. Okay, the same affirmation you will write, no changes. Next, you will repeat this process in the afternoon, either after your lunch or before your lunch. Okay, you will write the same affirmation 6 times like this. Okay, and you might forget in the afternoon due to your work or any other thing. So what you can do is just put a reminder in your phone. Okay, and then at night before you go to bed, you will write the same affirmation 9 times. Okay, so this is the method 369. Okay, now how many days you will write it? You will do this process for 30 days or 60 days or 90 days. It's up to you. Okay, what you can do is start with a simple wish first for 30 days, and even if your wish is not manifested within 30 days, then don't be disheartened. Continue it for next 60 days, then 90 days. Okay, this technique works. You need to have faith in it. Plus, while you're doing this method, put your energy, feel your wish and visualize it. Most important is visualize your wish, what you want. Okay, this is a very powerful technique for wish manifestation, and do try this method. If you have any doubt, please write it in the comment section, and for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you all.